Okay. So now taking the question number 41. Question number 41 of year 22-23 IMO level 1. Right? Okay. I'm reading the question now. Tushar walks for 2/3 hours at a speed of 7.2 km per hour and runs for 1/4 hours at a speed of 8.6 km per hour. How much total distance will be covered by Tushar in total 3 integer 11/12 hours? Okay. So time given 1 integer 2/3 hours and at the speed of 7.2 kilometer per hour. And second given time 2 integer 1/4 hours and the speed of walking is 8.6 kilometer per hour. And we have to find the distance covered by Tushar in total 311/12 hours. So first of all, let us check whether sum of these two is equal to this one or not. So T1 plus T2, this is 5/3 and this is 9/4. LCM is 12. 3 4 ja, 4 5 ja 20, 4 3 27. This is 47/12, which is equal to 311/12 hours. Okay. Now, distance covered in 5/3 hours. That would be 5/3 into speed is 7.2 km per hour. We multiply. This is 2.4. We will get 12 km. So Tushar will cover 12 km in 5/3 hours. Again, distance covered in this is 9/4 hours, right? So 9/4 into speed 8.6. 4 2 ja 15. After multiplication 9 5 ja 45, 9 1 ja 9 and 4 13, 18 1 19, 19.35 kilometers. So total distance is 12 plus 19.35, which is 31.35 kilometers. So if you look at the option D says 31.35 kilometers. So correct answer for question number 41 is option D. Okay. Now, the next question, which is question number 42. So 42. Pipe X can fill a water tank in 1 integer 1/3 hours and another pipe Y can fill the same water tank in 1/2 hours. If both pipes are open together, then in how many hours will they fill the water tank? Okay. So X takes 1/3 hours to fill the tank and Y takes 1/2 hours, right? And if they are open together, how much time will they take to fill the tank simultaneously, right? Okay. So this is equal to 4/3 hours and this is equal to 3/2 hours. Now see, since in 4/3 hours, pipe X fill one tank, right? Therefore, in 1 hour, pipe X will fill 1/4/3, which is equal to 3/4 part of the tank. This much of tank will be filled in 1 hour by pipe X. Again, since in 3/2 hour, pipe Y fills one tank, therefore in 1 hour, pipe Y will fill 1/3/2, which is equal to 2/3 part. So this is filled by Y in 1 hour. So together in 1 hour, part of tank field would be equal to sum of these two. 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3, 12. So here 9, 8, 17 by 12. Now, since 17 by 12 part filled in 1 hour, so one part will be filled in 1 by 17 by 12, which is equal to 12 by 17 hours. Fine. So we are getting 12 by 17 hours. And if we look at the option, it has no option saying 12 by 17. Option A says 16 by 19, B says 14 by 17, C says 13 by 19, and D says none of these. So which option we should choose? We are getting this one. Obviously, this is not there. So option D, none of these. Okay. Now moving to the next question, which is question number 43. Okay. Question number 43. Ankit went to visit a sacred place with his family. He had a total of rupees 37,800. He spent 4 by 9 of the total amount on fare and 5 by 7 of the remaining amount on food and stay. How much amount is left with him now? So Ankit has total amount. This is question number 43. Total amount. This is equal to rupees 37,800. Now Ankit spent 4 by 9 of total on fare. So on fare amount spent 4 by 9 of 37,800. 9 4 ja, 9 2 ja, right? So 4 2 ja 8, 16,800 rupees. So what is left? Amount left with Ankit, that is 37,800 minus 16,800, which is 21,000 rupees. Now, again question says 5 by 7 of the remaining amount spent on food and stay. So this is the remaining amount. So on food and stay amount spent 21,000 into 5 by 7, 7 3 ja. So this is 15,000 rupees. Now what is left? Left amount. So 21,000 minus 15,000, which is 6,000 rupees. And if you look at the option, option A says 6,000 rupees. So the correct answer for question number 43 is option A. Fine. Okay. Now moving to question number 44. Question number 44. Ahana bought a scooty for rupees 66,000. After using it for 2 years, he sold it. If its value get depreciated by 20% and 15% annually respectively, then what amount will she get the scooty after 2 years? Okay. So the CP was rupees 66,000. Rate of depreciation for first year, that is 20%. So depreciated value will be 20%, means 20 by 100 of 66,000. It is cancelled. 132 and 00, 13,200 rupees. Now cost of scooty after 1 year, 66,000 minus 13,200. So this is 52,800 rupees. Now rate of depreciation for second year. This is given 15%. So depreciated value for second year, 15% of this, 15 by 100 into 52800. This is cancelled. 15 8 ja 120, 15 2 ja 30, and 12 42, and then 20 55 75 79 7920 rupees. Right now the cost of scooty 52,800 minus 7,920, 0, yeah, 8, 17 and 9, 8, 11, 7, 4, 44,880 rupees. And if you look at the option C says rupees 44,880. So the correct option for question number 44 is option C. Now moving to next question, question number 45. Question number 45. A certain number of men went to a hotel. Each man spent as many rupees as 1/4 of the total number of men. If total bill paid was rupees 20,449, then how many men visited the hotel? Okay. Let number of man X, money spent by each man, X by 4. So total money X into X by 4, which is X square by 4. Now according to question, X square by 4 is equal to 20,449. So X square is 20,449 into 4. X square, 4 9 are 36, 16 3 19, 16 and 1 17, and 4 2 are 8. So X would be a square root of 81796. Now we have to find its square root. I'm using long division method. 81796. You know how to find. First of all, make pair from the right side. 8, we want a number 8 or less than 8. 2 2 ja 4. 4 minus plus, here 4, here 4, 1 7. Then I think 8, 8, 8 8 ja 64, 32 and 6 38. Minus plus, here 56, 7 4 3, 11 8 3. Right? Then 9 6, I think 6. 6 6 the 36, 39, 33. Yes, cancel. 286. So its a square root is 286. So there are 286 men there. And if you look at the option A says 286. So the correct answer for question number 45 is option A. Fine? Okay. So question number 46. Read the given statement carefully and state true and false. Right? 3 statements are given. We know that in achiever section, each question carries 2 marks. Okay, so first part is here in question number 46. The rational number 228 by 91 should be subtracted from 27 by 13 to get minus 3 by 7. Means 27 by 13 minus 228 by 91, it will give minus 3 by 7. Now, this statement is true or false. So solving, LCM is 91, 13 7 ja, 7 7 ja 49, 189 minus 228, which is equal to minus 39 by 91, and then 13 7 ja and 13 3 ja, right? 3 and 7. So we will get minus 3 by Then the second part, the value of given minus 7 by 18 into 15 by minus 7 minus 1 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 4 is, this is equal to given 17 by 18. So we have to find out whether this is true statement or false statement. So minus minus cancel, 7 7 cancel, 3 5 ja, 3 6 ja, we will get 5 by 6 here. Then here 1 by 4, then here 1 by 8. LCM is 24, 6 4 ja, 4 5 ja, 20, 4 6 ja, 6 1 ja, 6, 8 3 ja, 3. So 23 minus 6, 17 by 24. We are getting this one, while it is saying 17 by 18. So this is a false statement. And the third one is multiplicative inverse of minus 9 by 10 plus 2 by 5 is 1 by 2. So we have to tell whether this is true statement or false. So solve this. LCM is 10 minus 9, 5 2 is 4. This is equal to minus 5 by 10, which is equal to minus 1 by 2. And its multiplicative inverse would be minus 2, reciprocal of the number. Here it is saying 1 by 2. Again, this is a false statement. So first true, second and third false. And if you look at the option B says TFF. So the correct answer for question number 46 is option B. Fine. Okay. Now, the next question, question number 47. Three columns, match the columns. In column 1, 3 equations are given. So P, solving the P. 7 2x minus 3 minus 4 equals 1 by 3, 7x minus 3 plus 11. So here 14x minus 21 minus 4 equal to, LCM is 3, 7x minus 3 plus 33. Here 14x minus 25 into 3, cross multiplication. 7x plus 30. Here 42x minus 75, 7x plus 30. Then 42x minus 7x, 30 plus 75. 35x is 105. So x is 105 by 35, which is equal to 3. So the value of P we are getting 3, which is there in column second of second part. Okay. Then Q. P plus 2P plus 3 upon 5. This is equal to 4P plus 6 upon 3 minus 1. This is the Q part. Taking LCM, 5P plus 2P plus 3, 3, 4P plus 6 minus 3. So 7P plus 3 upon 5. This is equal to 4P plus 3 by 3 cross. 3, 7P plus 3, 5, 4P plus 3, 21P plus 9, 20P plus 15, 21P minus 20P, 15 minus 9. So P is 6. And option 3 in second column. So Q with third, right? Obviously, then R would be from 1. So we can, okay, I'm solving R also. Although it was enough, when P matches with second and Q matches with third, so R will match to 1. 0.3, 5y minus 6, this is equal to minus 0.7, 23 minus 4y. This is 3 by 10, 5y minus 6, minus 7 by 10, 23 minus 4y. 10, 10 cancel, 15y minus 18, 7 3 are 21, 14, 16, 161, plus 28y. So 15y minus 28y, minus 28y, minus 161 plus 18, here minus 13y equals 1 minus 143. So y is in fact 143 by 13, which is 11. So which is first part. So P matches to second and Q matches to third. And R matches to 1. So it is present in option A. So correct answer for question number 47 is option A. Okay. Now moving to the next question. (48). Again two parts are there. First part says the cost of digging a cuboidal pit which is 8 meter long, 6 meter broad and 3 meter deep at the rate of rupees 30 per cubic meter is P. Okay. L is given 8 meter, B given 6 meter, H given 3 meter, and cost of digging given 30 per cubic meter. So we have to find the cost. So volume LBH 8 into 6 into 3, 48, 3 ja 144 cubic meter. So cost is 144 into 30, 3 4 ja 12, 13, 4, 432 rupees, 20 rupees. Fine. This is the value for P. Now the second part is Q. A petrol tank is in the form of cylinder diameter which is 3 meter and length is 7 meter. So dia of cylinder given 3 meter. So radius would be 3 by 2 meter and length means H is given 7 meter. Fine. The quantity of petrol it can store in it. So we have to find the volume. Pi R square H. R is 3 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2. H is 7. Cancelled. 2 11 ja cancel. 99 by 2, which is 49.5 cubic meter. To change this into liter, since 1000 liter equals to 1 cubic meter, this is the conversion. Multiply by 1000, we will get 49,500 liter. So the value of Q is 49,500 and value of P is 4320. And if we look at the option, it is option C. So option C for question number 48. That is correct. Then question number 49. Two statements are given. First statement says A by B to the power minus 7x into B by A to the power 5 equals to B by A to the power 13 into A by B to the power 2x. Okay, so here I'm writing B by A. If I will write its reciprocal, it will be plus. So B by A 7x into B by A 5. Here B by A 13 and here it would be B by A, writing its reciprocal, power will be negative. Since base is same, adding the power. B by A 7x plus 5. Here B by A 13 minus 2x. Since base is same, we can equate the power. 13 minus 2x. So 7x plus 2x. 13 minus 5. 9x is 8. So x is in fact 8 by 9. Okay. Then we have to find the value. It is saying in the question, then this is root under 10x plus 9 equals to 25. Putting the value of this one, 10 into 8 by 9 plus 9. So 80 and 161. 81 and 80. 161 by 9. Right? This is not equal to 25. So this statement is false. The first one. Now the second one. Second one here. Given 2 to the power 3x minus 1 plus 10 divided by 7 equals to 6. We can write 2 3x minus 1 plus 10 by 7 equals to 6. Cross multiplication 2 3x minus 1 plus 10 42. 2 3x minus 1 42 minus 10. 2 3x minus 1 32, which is 2 to the power 5, equating power 3x minus 1 is 5, 3x is 6, so x is 2. And here in the statement saying then the value of x is 3. So it is also false. So a statement 1 false and a statement 2 also false. Both false, right? Option C, both a statement 1 and statement 2 are false. Option C. Now the last question. Question number 50. Black marbles, black. It is given 5. White marbles, it is given 7. And blue marbles, 8. A marble is drawn from the bag without looking into the bag. Find the probability of getting. Okay. So what is sample space? Total 8, 7, 15, 5, 20. Now the first one. Probability for blue marble. For blue marble. So what is any? Blue marble 8. So PE is 8 by 20 means 2 by 5. Then second one, white marble. White marble. White is 7. So NE is 7. So PE is 7 by 20. And third one, neither white nor blue. Neither white nor blue means black marble. Neither white nor blue means black marble. So NE is 5. So PE is 5 by 20, which is 1 by 4. So the answers we are getting 2 by 5, 7 by 20, and 1 by 4. 2 by 5, 7 by 20, and 1 by 4 given in option A. So the correct answer for question number 50 is option A. So I solved questions from question number 16 to question number 50 in 4 different videos. This was the last part. And as you know that Olympiad Success has come up with the solutions of previous year papers of Olympiad examinations like IMO, Crest Olympiad, Silver Zone, right? So if you want us to solve any specific here question, do comment, write to us, fine. You can also visit to the Olympiad Success website. Okay, bye, take care.